do something different. So I'm gonna have my son, he's 3, and he's gonna unbox a MacBook Air, a 2020 MacBook Air. So I know I always see these videos on YouTube, everybody unboxing stuff. I was like, what if you just give it to a toddler to unbox? How would he react? So if he does a good job, I have another surprise for him. If he does a good job, I have a really amazing surprise. Something I've been asking for a while. So I was like, okay, let me see if he can unbox it. And if he does a good job, even if he does a bad job, I'm still gonna give him this toy, but we're gonna see if he does a good job or not. All right, let's go.
Shoot. Like this? Shoot.
Take the plastic off.
Help me.
Take it off.
Hurry.
Lift it up. You gotta lift it up now. Oh no, he's on the games.
Sonic. 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 Sonic.
Alright, you can tap Sonic. You don't want to see what's in the box?
Sonic.
I guess not.
Sonic. Sonic.
You don't want to see it?
Sonic. Sonic.
I guess no. I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for you, Noah. Do you want the surprise? Surprise!
Shiny! Shiny!
Yes, it's Sonic. Do you want to open it? Open Sonic.
Apple! Apple!
You want me to open it?
Apple!
Or do you want to try and open it?
Apple! Apple!
Alright, I'll open it for you. Do you like your Sonic, Noah? This is trash. Why are you trying to put Sonic back in the box now? I guess you happy now you got your Sonic.
Sonic!
What's up, everybody? Just trying to be, you know what I'm saying, trying to be dictatable. What's going on? What's going on in this world right now is like everything's a mess. We just gotta figure out what can we possibly do to do something different. So this boy is always on his little iPad, huh? Why you not in the back seat? I know. Why you not in the back seat? I gotta put him in the back seat. Put this little chunky baby boy in the back seat. You're what? What are you trying to do? Just trying to show you little iPad? Time for you to get in the back, boy. Say bye. We're gonna put you in the back seat. Say bye.
Me. Car. Car. Car.
What is this now? What is this? Why are you giving me trash? Oh, why are you giving me trash? Like my trash man, I'm a trash collector. That's what it is now. That's always trying to give me some trash. Say hi to the camera. No, say hi. Trying to hide. So right now I'm frying some plantains right now. About to be good. You know, like my plantains are like every day, almost every day. But don't worry about that though. They're looking good right now.